I am guide tourist. My name is Erwin Ochoa Alvarez. Zambrano to me. Touring a beautiful shore on the banks of the Magdalena River, located in the north of the coast, 168 km from Cartagena de Indias. We stand out for our culture and friendliness, for our strong cuisine with various typical dishes of the coast. Come and enjoy our historical and emblematic cities full of myths and legends, and Los Lagos Recreation Center, as well as a very hot climate for lovers of hot things. Duration of the trips. The trip will last approximately 3 days and 2 nights. On the first day of the trip, a short tour of the main tourist point that reach the hotel where you will be stationed. The second day, begging wheels, a dog ride along the banks of the Magdalena River, and after aquatic cities and night delight in all gastronomy. The third day tour through the historical cities for myths and legends to enjoy a musical surprise. Means of the transportation. The means of the transport used are buses, taxis, motorcycles, cars, motor-tours, bicycles, bike tours, and bike water in canoes, boats, water fleets. Activities to do. The activities that can be carried out are walking along the banks of the river during daytime hours, visit the different historical and cultural cities during the times hours. In the central square are the restaurants and food stall serving 24 hours. They are free to visit and place them once. They can photograph it and kings of animal species, plants, and any type of other things appalling to do so. At night time, the hotels manage their service 24 hours available. The discos and record stores are only available at night. Prohibitions avoid pollute to the waters, bottled garbage. Place to stay: Hotel La Española, Hotel La Avenida, and Los Lagos Recreation Center. Typical foods. Recommends fish with yuca, tripe sauce, coconut rice, with Frank mojarra, rich sancocho, roast beef, roast chicken, prawns, typical free and foods from this area. The allowed drinks are soft drinks, natural juice in their variability, breeze, wines, among of the diamine contain alcohol. Cost with everything included 2 million pesos in Colombia. In dólares, 532 US$.